Suzuki just dropped an absolute bomb on the motorcycle world. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're talking about the all-new 2027 Suzuki RM-Z 1050. Yes, you heard that right. Suzuki has taken their legendary RM-Z name and created something completely unprecedented. This is the bike that's rewriting the rules of what a high-performance off-road machine can be. Design. The RM-Z 1050 is aggressive, purposeful, and unmistakably Suzuki. The bodywork is sleek yet functional, with excellent heat management and airflow. Suzuki has nailed the ergonomics here. The riding position feels natural whether you're standing on the pegs tackling technical terrain or seated for highway stretches. The minimalist approach keeps weight down, while the robust frame construction screams durability. Premium plastics and high-quality finishes throughout show Suzuki means business with its flagship model. Performance. Here's where things get wild. That massive 1050cc parallel twin engine produces explosive power while maintaining surprisingly smooth characteristics. Suzuki has engineered this motor to deliver low-end torque for technical riding while still having plenty of top-end punch when you need it. The advanced traction control system keeps all that power manageable in varying conditions. The suspension is absolutely top tier, with fully adjustable components that handle everything from sand dunes to rocky trails. Despite the larger displacement, Suzuki has kept the bike remarkably lightweight and flickable. Features and technology. Technology-wise, the RM-Z 1050 is packed. Multiple riding modes adapt to different terrain types instantly. The full-color TFT display provides crisp, clear information even in bright sunlight. Advanced cornering ABS gives you confidence without sacrificing that off-road feel. Quickshifter technology makes gear changes effortless. There's even integrated GPS functionality for those backcountry explorations. Conclusion. The 2027 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 isn't just pushing boundaries, it's completely obliterating them. This is Suzuki's boldest statement yet. What's your take on this beast? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for the latest motorcycle coverage. Ring that notification bell to stay updated. Ride hard, ride safe.